Hi everyone. I'm Sarah. Today I'm going to show you how to make a super easy and heartwarming dessert, chocolate brownies. Did you know? Chocolate has the magical power of sweet love. Let's get started. Step 1. Grab a heat-proof bowl and add 100 gram of dark chocolate and 50 gram of unsalted butter. Put it in the microwave for 1 minute. Step 2. Stir the melted chocolate and butter until smooth. Then add 50 gram of sugar, 2 gram of salt, and 2 eggs, and mix it all together until it's nice and silky. Step 3. Time for the dry ingredients. Add 50 gram of all-purpose flour, 10 gram of cocoa powder, and 2 gram of baking powder. Gently fold everything in, make sure there are no lumps. Step 4. Pour the batter into a baking pan. Feel free to decorate the top with a few cute little heart-shaped cookies. Then bake it in a preheated oven at 160 degrees Celsius 320 degrees Fahrenheit for 16 minutes. Step 5. Wow! Your warm, delicious chocolate brownies are ready. Let them cool down a bit, then slice, pack, or just enjoy right away. Isn't that super easy? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. See you next time. Bye bye.